All right, I am still keeping my short position, guys. In my last night's video, I got a lot of hate comments from you guys that were saying, oh, you got wrecked, you got liquidated, congratulations, blah, blah, blah. And it's okay. If you're having fun with people getting liquidated, although I didn't get liquidated, I added to my short actually. I closed that one and I got it even in a more aggressive short, okay? I hope that you're gonna get happy with what you want to see from me getting liquidated maybe, but you guys see that I put in my Telegram group screenshot of it and I'm expecting to start going lower, and I'm gonna show you guys what USDT is saying. So USDT, I was explaining in my last night's video that I was expecting to stay above this white line, and I'm repeating this again for new viewers. Anytime USDT goes down, BTC goes up, right? And every time USDT goes up, BTC goes down, right? We exactly called this, right? And I am expecting again to go back to $59,000 almost. And I'm gonna show you guys with Ichimoku Cloud. And I said this before that gocharting.com, you guys can just get into a lot of these indicators for free. You do not have to pay for TradingView. And I'm going to show you guys why I am expecting to come back down to at least $59,500, $600. Because we have Ichimoku, and if you guys don't know, most of the time when we have a cloud, we either have to go through it with the candles or at least have a shadow on it or wick on it, just touch it and start moving, right? So we have missed this red one, we have missed this green one. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see it better. I'm not saying we are not in a bull market, we are, but that does not mean that we're not gonna have our last shakeout before everybody. A lot of people, actually not everybody, a lot of people sell their bags to other people, and we're gonna start a bull run. Okay, that's all usually what happens. So you guys see that this green one got touched with this wick of this green candle, then this red one got missed out, then this green one, then this red one, and it's still this green one. So there are a lot of Ichimoku clouds have been untouched here, around $59,000, $59,400, 500-ish. You guys see that every single one of the other candles have been touched. You know, we can see that we have gone through it or we have touched it. Okay, so that's one of the reasons I'm telling you that there is a good reason that we're gonna at least go 3 waves down. But the reason I'm saying I am still expecting we have another shakeout before going before we start going to all-time high, I'm gonna show you guys with weekly chart. So you guys see that for a long time, for almost 7 months, we have been going sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down. And a lot of the times, all these videos that I have been making since here, and I called this top in here before because USDT had bottomed for around this white line that you see this circle here, right? And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you do not miss any of my videos. And you want to subscribe right now and hit the notification button and join the free Telegram group, okay? And also, if you guys are interested to see what coins we are buying, we are going to buy more as I see we are bottoming, and I'm letting my members know, and I'm going to give them more gems to buy. We are buying a lot of coins because we do not want to put all of our money in one basket and then get disappointed if those coins are not going to be pumped for any reason, okay? So go ahead and join. We got 29 members so far. And so let me see. So you guys see that we have been going sideways. We got this wick, which I called it exactly the circle around the circle. If you guys watch my previous videos, we started going higher, and I called this again around $64,000, $65,000. If we go to daily one, I don't want to repeat it too much. I just want to show very fast in here. You guys see this weekly candle already closed as red, right? And it's closed below this body, okay? And if I want to put this aside, you guys see that we have opened this candle, right? From today, from 7 p.m., we went higher, almost to $64,000, 300-ish. And a lot of people are thinking that we're going to go higher. We're going to go higher, but not now, okay? We're going to go higher when you're not expecting it, okay? Because we need more liquidity, we need more. As I always give you guys this example, if you're jumping, or somebody actually gave a really good example about when you take the ball and take it inside the water, right? Take it under the water, the lower you go, and when you just let it go, it goes even higher. It just goes out of water and just jumps to the sky, right? And the lower you go, the higher it can jump. So that almost works the same. We need more liquidity from lower prices so we can jump higher to go to higher prices. I hope that makes sense. A lot of people are just gonna come and laugh in the comment section, but it's okay. If you do not understand it, it's fine. But I'm saying that is still, there is a good chance that we get a really sharp drop, a shakeout, before going back up. And that's gonna make sense a lot with BTC topping around this area. And our total 3 that I'm going to show you guys later. Make sure you are subscribed, and please hit the thumbs up right now for me. And it does not cost you anything. It's just going to help the channel to push this video for the algorithm to more people, okay? And if you guys want to share it, I would appreciate that as well. So still, I am expecting BTC to top out around here, and once we're going to go down for BTC, we're going to start our alt season. Okay, so far Bitcoin is the leader. We like it or not, altcoins are just sleeping. Okay, we have jumps, we have pumps for here and there for some of the altcoins, but it's still, I'm expecting, as long as we're not topping around 60-61%, we're not gonna really see a good alt season. Okay, and we saw a lot of alt started pumping when BTC was just starting to go down from here to here, from almost 58.59 down to 57.17. So you guys saw that, how many percentage a lot of altcoins were getting. But as I said, we started going down, but BTC started going higher because altcoins started bleeding more than Bitcoin. Okay, so you guys see that. So there is a good chance that we're gonna close this candle as either green around here. If it does a really good job holding itself up here, we can just have a small body like something like this, but green or even red, and then the next one we can have a really sharp going down. Okay, sharp candle going down for the last shakeout, get that liquidity one more time and start going higher. Okay, I'm still holding on my altcoins. Our members are holding up their altcoins. Some of them are still saving cash for a better time, which I'm going to let them know when we're going to buy, when I'm going to be 100% in. I am already 90%, as I tell you guys in my videos. But again, I said that in my previous video. I said there's a good chance that we get support on this white line. But you know what? BTC said, nope, I'm gonna go higher and kiss this 64,400-ish and then go lower. Okay, and that made sense that USDT dominance got that support from this level. Okay, we had this base rally. You guys see this red candle, and we have that sideways base rally. We got a good support from here, and you guys can see that in 4-hour candle, we even closed this green candle above this green and above this green that I was expecting. So it is pushed back up around it. So we can go maximum a little bit lower and then start going for a higher percentage, which would make sense that we can see something like this. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. I am expecting a bigger wave going down, at least down to 59,500, 600. That is my first TP for my trade that you guys are seeing right now in negative 51. I actually lost a little bit of money on this, but it does not matter how much money I'm losing. I am looking at the direction of the market. I can be wrong $1,000 or $2,000 when I'm opening a short. But in general, I am showing you guys the direction of the market exactly. I called this top for 73,000. I said we can go maximum to 75 or 77, then start going lower, where I saw that USDT was bottoming. I'm not going to show you guys again, okay? So I just want you guys to subscribe and hit the like button. Do not forget to like, please. And just for this member, wow, we got a lot of these questions for these coins. I'm gonna look at these and I'm gonna make a member video very soon, probably tomorrow. Just stay tuned for it. So for this video, I got a lot of hate, but you guys know that I called this exactly when we were on top. I said that 65, 66, I started a short and I closed it later. I should have just held it, but I just closed it, okay? So this is what I'm looking at. So far, USDT is back on the uptrend. Where are we going? If you're asking, I said that before, my next target would be around this level. And why is that? I called this exactly this top for USDT. I said that we can stop around this wave and go lower. And this is what happened. We started bottoming for BTC and it started going higher because we had this support level for around this here, right here. Okay, so that totally makes sense. But right now, I am seeing that USDT is back on being bullish. So we can start going higher, and that's going to be bad for BTC. That's going to be almost back down at least to 59,500-ish. Then I'm going to look at how much higher we can go. A lot of you guys are asking, even my members that are saying, are we going to have that shakeout? Yes, we can. There is a possibility. None of these are financial advice. This is just my probability, okay? If we go zoom out a little bit for USDT, let's just go to the daily, okay? This is the one I was saying that we called this exactly the top for Bitcoin. As I said, I have seen a lot of these movements for smaller time frames. When we have a chart looking like this crash and it starts just going zigzag and crashes more and keeps going down, there's a good chance that there's a lot of liquidity to grab. So there's a good chance that we get something like this, a wick up to here, and that's going to be a bloodbath for a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin. But you guys know that Bitcoin is going to be still the leader, so it's going to rise in dominance. And once we get around here, that will be the bottom for a lot of altcoins, and that's going to be bottom for BTC as well. So we're going to start riding the rest of this cycle as being bullish, and we're going to go toward hopefully 73 and hopefully higher prices. But we just need to see that I have given a scenario before. I said we can either start going down from this level, from 6% down, and start going towards this white line. And once we get to this white line, as if you guys have been watching my videos, that's where I am getting out, okay? So we can go still up to this level, 6%. We can go up to this level, 6.47. When I called it again that we got this wick, it started going lower for USDT. But if we get to this level, at which we can, guys, okay, never say never. I still will update you guys. We can go higher like that, okay, and just go. That's an ugly. Okay, you know what I'm saying. So we can go higher, get a wick, and start going lower. That's going to be the best buying opportunity, okay? That's going to be a lot of people getting out of this market because they are just tired of waiting and tired of losing money, okay? So when we were around here, guys, I said that I'm not afraid of missing out because we're going to have enough time to buy. Every time it started going higher, a lot of people started commenting and making fun of me for not buying that much of altcoins. But now I am on 90%. A lot of the altcoins that were given 10x, 20x, 100x, they started crashing back down, okay? A couple of the coins I called, and I have repeated it before, gave 40x since we bought it, but it started going back down exactly back to that level, okay? That's why I was not calling this the real bull run yet, and we still can go back down. Close a weekly candle probably on this. It does not have to close it. Grab more liquidity to be able to push higher in the price. So make sure you are subscribed. Check out my links in the description and comment section. And please support the channel anyhow you can. Like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.